Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojani Senkunku, Professor of Law, Professor of Disaster Preparedness and Management, Professor of Natural Resources Management, Professor of Social Foundation of Law, Professor of Nuclear, Atomic and Ethics Medicine, Professor of Currency, Professor of European Currency, Professor of African Currency, Professor of Global Finance, Professor of Economy, Professor of Green Economy, Professor of Economy Innovation, Professor of Science and Technology. And I know around the world you are waiting the voice of your chief. You know, you want to make sure that you are safe. You want to make sure that your Secretary General is available and around, you know, to care about you. You want to, because yesterday I was in silence. Sometimes when I'm in silence, so it's just I'm working. I have a lot of work to finalize before I go to New York to sit, because you elected me and Secretary General of United Nations. So there are people say that the Viber was so low. That shows that I have a power. My energy is connected with the universe. My energy is connected with God. My energy, I have a positive energy. I have impact, global impact that no one can have. Okay, just I will start to respond to people say that there is because they are using a woman, you know. That's why I say that we have to free woman to secure the world. We have to free woman. When all women are speaking, they are under the devil influence. They are under the devil in. They are in. Me, I can speak out. You know, I'm a liberal. I don't have a colonial degree. I didn't make my degree in South Africa to get apartheid degree. I didn't make my degree to France to have a colonial degree. I didn't make my degree to UK to have a colonial degree. But I get my degree in liberal studies. European is the freedom of circulation. The freedom European study is go to see the Treaty of Maastricht is the freedom of circulation, is the freedom of speech, the freedom of media, the freedom. New York is the freedom. You know, that's why my place. I cannot remain in I can't remain in Buckingham Palace when they kill Prince Philip, when Meghan ran away with her husband. I can't remain there because there is no freedom in Buckingham Palace. So I can't remain in Panthéon. There is still colonial. And God put me in Switzerland to study European law. So in the right place where the United Nations is in Switzerland. And I'm going to New York where freedom is. New York is a freedom. Not the Washington DC. See the Washington DC there, how Biden and Obama have blood, many blood. God show they were hiding everything. God show how Obama and Biden have blood of Afghan. They put fake fake put fake mullah there, they put fake Taliban there, make a carnage, massacre, they kill. Also, when the plane was leaving, according our expert of United Nations, when the plane was leaving, it's a drop missile. It's a drop missile, so there is many people die there. It's drop missile. So maybe they try to hide the massacre on the street by missile. I don't know. But we have to check what damage the missile did in Afghanistan. So they have blood. And I'm here. The system of lie also said that I was there. Rio, no. Rio does have. Rio didn't. We condemn Rio. We condemn Rio because insurrection. But insurrection is recommended by international law when the system of oppression occupy America. When the system of oppression occupy, Winston Churchill could not stay at home when the Nazis have to make bomb in UK. So he have to run to Alberta, Edmonton. He went to hide himself in Edmonton. That's where they moved probably Elizabeth at that time. So you cannot cooperate. There is no diplomacy with the system of oppression. Only insurrection. Only people have to go in the street to defend their law, because an enemy took the power by force, have arms, have missile, have a weapon. How to respond it? So that's what you have to know. The system is a bad system, because how in front of people come to take your land, come in your country, take your land, take your territory, take your family, take your house, and wrap your wife, wrap your daughter, wrap even if your son in news, they wrap them, and they kill your member of family, siblings, children, mother. How in this system you will be just okay? You beat me here, I have to be humble. Like they teach you. Even if God have army, even if God have army, have angel, have archangel, what they are saying, Archie, is archangel. God have army. Why, if God was peaceful, God has army? Dieu a une armée qui s'élève pour nous, pour lui obéir. Dieu a une armée. God have an army to defend his people. If Moses was just peaceful in front of enemy, why he drive away? Moses was a black. Was he drive away those came with a horse to kill them? Why Joshua collapsed the wall if it was just okay, peaceful, stay here, not go on the street, not make an insurrection? And there is a judge there want to condemn Uncle Trump, say that the Rio kill people than COVID. Uncle Trump didn't manufacture the COVID. This judge, I will put this judge in jail because try to modify the story, saying that the Rio kill more people. No, it's the COVID kill more Americans. You didn't give them the dignified burial. We have to give international dignified burial. I initiated it last year, but until it's done when I'm in New York, because I didn't participate on that, so I can give we people of United Nations, American and other African, Black American, Latino American, dignify burial. I will organize it in New York. Also, I'm telling those dead to me, you have a privilege to date the best man in your world, because I'm a liberal. Liberal is not only study, but liberal is also to let other people to choose their own way. You choose Freemasonry, criminal organization. When you get in my life, I told you I was chosen. It's not you God choose. Because right now, where are you? You are not with me. You can't help me by Freemason, by using your vagina. You can't help me by using the devil and Freemasonry criminal organization. You can't help me. Because I belong to God. Because my destiny is God. If you are with me, if my wife was with me today, my wife could die. Could die because when they give poison, me I can eat it, but I stand. I have more than 600 poison eat since 2003. I'm counting it. So God isolate me. You cannot be where I am now, because you can't. Because when they give me a poison, when they pump a gas for me to die, you will breathe it and you die. Me, I never will die. I never will die. That's why enemy are desesperated. They are desesperated. We never see that. Also, remove your polemic. When I say that the soul, Kwame Nkrumah said the soul of Congo is the soul of Africa is in Congo Brazzaville, there is no polemic. Look at your country. Tell me, do you have a professor? To be professor is very high. To be professor, in Africa they give the title of professor like that. But to go to do your PhD in Canada, in University Laval, they don't prepare lecturer. They prepare professor. And for me, they added, because I did a special PhD, no one can do. They can give it to people now. You can buy it. You can open your leg, they give to you. You're a man, you open your anus, they give to you. But me, I never been fucked. I went to sit, sweating. It's God. I break the chain because no one could do this PhD to give opportunity to young people now to have it. So there is no polemic when I said my country is the soul. The soul. Why? Because look at your country. You never be having professor president. You never having the professor president. I have professor president, Professor Pascal Lissouba, the first agronome, among the first agronome. We are now in 1960. 1960, Professor Lissouba is agronome. And he worked with the United Nations to develop agriculture. I worked with CORAF that the President Kibaki put there. I contribute with CORAF. But it's different when professor lead the country. So he helped many African countries to have it. In Tanzania, we have Mwalimu Nyerere. Mwalimu is not professor. My father, after priesthood, was Mwalimu. We have Mwalimu Alphonse Massamba Deba, the second president in Congo, developed many things. He was Mwalimu, give water. Kenya didn't have a privilege to have a great mind in the great mind, the professor there. And parallelly, you will see The first professor, the real president in administration of Obama and Biden was a professor, is a professor, Professor Eloge Anissé-Nkounkou. President Trump said that the real president is him. The General Flynn during the crisis said, confirm it. The General Millet of Pentagon confirm it. Uncle Trump, Obama himself, I have the letter of Obama, confirm that that the real president was me. Look what they want to do in Afghanistan. The collapse, mindless. When I'm not there. So the professor at the United States of America, the first president professor is Professor Eloge Anissé-Nkounkou. The first professor in Africa and Europe, Asia, the first president professor was Professor Pascal Lissouba. So who are the soul? When Muhammad Ali and George Foreman came to visit their ancestor, they closed the door of the soul, Congo Brazzaville. They put a foreigner there. In my country, from Abomey, from Benin, Sassou Nguesso is from Abomey. We don't have problem with Benin people. They are African. But when they put Africa, like they use Kenyan to kill me, they use Benin to kill Congo, the Sul. So Muhammad Ali and Foreman, they came, they closed the door of the Kingdom of Congo. They showed them that Zaire. They showed them only Zaire. So they found someone that's to represent the Kingdom of Congo, but Mobutu was representing the thing they create. The thing they create, imagination Zaire. So to cover Patrice Lumumba legacy, to chase away Patrice Lumumba legacy, because Patrice Lumumba is my brother from the Kingdom of Congo, the great cake. There is one party of Kenya, Kikuyu, Kalenjin, Kenya is K, Nkunku is K. Go to Congo Brazzaville in the north, you will see Kikuyu there. Go to in the south, you will see Kamba there. You will see Luwo in my language, in Kikongo, they call Luwo now. Luwo is the people who are talking too much, but they don't realize anything. So I see Raila for many years talk too much, distract the people. I see Obama, Luwo. People are clever, but they don't have stamina. What Uncle Trump said, stamina. They don't have a gifted of God. That's why Luwo in America called Professor Nkunku to have this stamina. When I'm not there, you see how business goes to Washington, D.C. How they want to kill many people. Blood. They have blood now. Blood. Obama. And, God did it, in the purpose to show, because they try to kill someone is innocent in secret. See how they are treating black American there. You have to speak just in Freemasonry. Me, I speak out. That's what you have to know. Today we are August 27, 2021. We are in Geneva. And there is a lady said that, oh no, it doesn't appear, he doesn't have a communication. But when I talked, go to see the response of Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres talked to me back. I support the chief right now of UN because his support to me is he accepted the change. You have to be Democrat to accept the change. And change is the right direction. That's the come from me. I'm honest. Come from Antonio Guterres. He's my chief right now. He's the chief of UN. Me, I'm elected, so I will succeed on him. And there is no way when he's going to leave that he's not going to work with me. If he didn't have courage, in the time I was dying, to give me my passport, because I have right, I'm diplomat, or petroleum. No one at the United Nations is the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals, and energy. No one. Lura Kwachita. So I have a right to be protected by international community when I care about international community interests. So I support Antonio, but Antonio have to resign. It's not because I envy his position. I can live without New York, but there is many issues only me can do that. Does Obama or those are making noise can stand on the roof, say that Freemasonry is a criminal organization? Look, the soul is speaking. Freemasonry is a criminal organization. I'm saying that again. And the lady said, oh no, try to interpret psychology. Oh, he's in the same place. I'm not in the same place. I choose this place to speak to you, and you will discover, because the lady they are using, that's are just mindless. They don't know. They make imagination interpretation in psychology. One day I will teach you psychology. One day I will teach you psychiatric. Why I choose this place? Because you can read Centre pédagogique de technologie de l'information et de la communication. You can read yourself in French. It's a pedagogic center of technology and information of communication. And we are here, so you can read it. So you can read it. So oh, he's in some place, he don't have. I have a connection. I have a connection. When I speak, it's a million of people around the world. When I speak, just they are waiting today. Today, August 27, 2021, Geneva, here, headquarters. So remove. We have a system. There is no diplomacy around the world. How are you going to make a diplomacy? Someone draw the missile. Afghan didn't have a missile, but after they make a massacre there, the airplane, get in the air.